What's up guys, Steven here, welcome back to another video, and today we are checking out the HUAWEI Band 6. Everyone knows Huawei's successful smartwatches like the Watch GT2, but now they also have fitness trackers. The new HUAWEI Band 6 fitness tracker is a capable little wearable with a surprising amount of features not often seen in the sub €50 market. The HUAWEI Band 6 is an entry-level fitness tracker and is meant for people who don't need or want a full smartwatch. Also, if you're looking for a smartwatch that is not too big, the HUAWEI Band 6 is great. The HUAWEI Band 6 can track all the basics, including your step count, caloric burn, activity duration, heart rate, stress, all-day SpO2 and even sleep. It supports 96 workout modes and its battery can last up to 2 weeks on a single charge. However, the smartwatch features are just basic, like notifications, on-device weather, smartphone music controls and a camera shutter. It also features all-day SpO2 tracking only on spot checks, which is a really great feature for a band in this price range. The 1.47-inch AMOLED display is really crisp and bright. I had no problems reading it outdoors. Since the Band 6 is very narrow, the tracker is comfortable to wear all day during workouts and at night for sleep tracking. The band is very thin too. It really comes down to a personal preference if you like it or not. At the bottom of the watch there are the sensors, and the watch is water resistant up to 50 meters. Regarding the software, the touch responsiveness is smooth and fast. There are no lags because the system is also very lightweight. The battery life is good too. It's really possible to achieve the full 2-week battery life that Huawei advertises, but it really depends on your usage. But 1 week or up to 10 days is usually never a problem at all. I personally think that most people, for sure depending on the usage, will probably get around 10 days on a charge. I've used the device regularly for all-day activity and sleep tracking. I also tracked some walks in between and I could get 8 to 10 days easily. The HUAWEI Band 6 can track 96 different workouts. That's far more than most devices in this price range. But of those 96, 85 are considered basic activities, while the other 11 are considered professional activities. Now, basic activities only record exercise time, the heart rate and calories burned. The 11 professional modes offer more tracking functions, and Huawei claims the tracking algorithm is more powerful. For example, tracking an outdoor run will give you an additional data like stride length, frequency, pace, training pressure, recovery and much more. Then there is also sleep tracking. Now personally I'm not really into sleep tracking, but Huawei's TrueSleep 2.0 algorithm works really good and can keep track on your sleep duration, stages, the light, deep, REM phase and your time awake. All this information is displayed in the Huawei Health app, and the sleep analysis is really good too. The sleep timeline is easy to read, sleep scores are explained in detail and there's a ton of information on how each metric breaks down. Also, workouts are greatly structured in the app too. What's really cool is that you can also connect Huawei Health data to Google Fit if you prefer to see your health stats in the Google app. So those who use Strava, MyFitnessPal or other popular services, you are unfortunately out of luck. It's also possible to activate automatic heart rate tracking and SpO2 monitoring in the app, as well as download cool clock faces and much more. Also, the Huawei Health app works on iOS and every other Android smartphone too. In general, the HUAWEI Band 6 is a good fitness tracker. The only limitations are a bit on the software side, like also notifications from your smartphone come in, but you can't really interact with them. So most of the time you pick up your smartphone to read the full text. Overall, a great fitness tracker for the money you pay. But if you're looking for a real smartwatch, better look at the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. Alright guys, so that was my quick review of the HUAWEI Band 6. I really liked it, I hope you liked it too. And for sure guys, if you have any questions, make sure to write the comment down below. And as always guys, I'm Steven from Tech Magnet and I'm signing out. Bye.